Hey folks, it's Ben. It's tillering time, so we got to get our tiller going here. This is I think it's a 67 or 68. They actually only made it one model year. It's a 155 case. 10 horsepower Kohler, not hydrostatic, it's hydraulic. I guess that's the key point, is that it's not high pressure, it's just hydraulic. Whatever, it's pretty cool. Probably have a video series, if not I do now, so I'll have that to click on at the end of this video here. But what we're doing today is pretty cool. We're going to swap the carburetor out. So here I have, presumably, the original carburetor for it. It's a pretty stripped out, very dirty, and I'm running, I think, a little lean because we're running really hot, and I think that's part of the issue, is that this carburetor I can't tweak it very well at all. It does run, I did get it to go, obviously I've got videos about it. However, I do have a fix. In the 80s and 90s, you were doomed to have to go to a dealer or through a catalog, but thanks to the internet and Fleabay, you can buy all the parts you need fairly inexpensively. So this is probably a cheap Chinese knockoff, to be honest with you, carburetor for this motor, and it fits up, or it looks like it fits up perfectly. The throttle linkages, all the adjustments, the choke connection, everything seems to be the same, even the fuel connection and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna go ahead, and I figure maybe a new piece of crap is better than a good but not working carburetor. So we're gonna go ahead and swap this on, make it look weird by having a new something on here. But that's today's video, is swapping this thing out. It also even comes with the fuel parts I need and a gasket. So we'll just swipe the thing right off. I don't think I replaced the gasket when I actually took this one off to try to clean it, so that'll be awesome. Sweet, so as you can see, besides the slots, we're mostly the same. That's fantastic news. So let's do the swap over. I'll clean up this hole a little bit, and then we'll put the new gasket on, new carburetor on. Hook it up. So we got, everything works like it's supposed to. So initial settings, I'll see if the box says anything, but we'll try that. Well, I think this is low idle and it's high idle, so I'm not sure where we're at. So we're gonna screw it in till we bottom out and see how far in we are. So there's half, 1, 1.5, 2. Looks like that's it. And I think probably 1.5 back is fine. So let's go from there. Half, 1.5. Same with the high idle. Just go, it's either high or low. I forget which ones they are. So that's half, 1. That was it. So let's go half, 1, 1/4. Just to make it different. Let's see what she'll do. I gotta put the battery booster on it because her battery's fairly dead. Alright, we'll give it the old college try here. It's gonna take some cranking because the fuel bowl's empty, right? So that's on, ignition on, clutch on high, or closed like it is. Throttle wide open. Probably a good point to make sure we got enough gas in it too, eh? Yeah, it's a generator starter, so it's got lots of cranking time. Well, I did drive it over here. The tank was fairly empty, so that's probably not helping. So we got that full, idle's high, choke is closed, smells like gas, ignition on. Let's do it. Wait, let's check that. That was a little sparky before. Okay. Well, that wasn't fun, but I am leaking gas, so I wonder where it's coming out of. Is it the hose or is it that connection to the carburetor? Yeah, it's a connection to the carb, so I gotta tighten that up. That's snug. It's everything's fairly dry again. Let's give that a shot. See how she does. Well, we're not wet anywhere, so that's better. So I'm gonna stop for lunch and then we'll see if we can get her fired up again. That'll hopefully let it dry out too. Let's put the throttle on high. Let that all kind of air out and we'll give her another try. Play along with me as we get this tractor going here. Our new carburetor. So here we've got our choke to on. Throttle midway. Ignition switch on, permissive brake on, hit the go button. Then frantically remember what's the choke and what's the throttle. Awesome! Let's try some footage of it chilling.